A well-rested night has different health benefits. It promotes healing, is good for creative output, and reduces stress. It also makes sure you don't make regretful decisions. So, how can we get rejuvenating rest back to our lives? First, cardio. 30 minutes of cardio in a day could be the secret to a great night's sleep. While there are many types of exercises, we are talking especially about the kind that gets your heartbeat pumping and heart rate soaring. A report by Johns Hopkins Center for Sleep confirms. Even modern aerobic exercise can help you get slow wave sleep, or what is known as deep sleep. Exercise can also help your mind to get more decompressed, which naturally facilitates a good night's sleep. Ayurveda recommends that the best time to exercise is between 6 am to 10 am. Second, keep digital devices away at least 30 minutes before bed. Digital devices disturb our body's ability to relax and prepare for sleep. Using a phone after you have switched off the light and are in bed is a strict no-no. The blue light of these devices can interfere with our brain's circadian rhythm. It's best to keep phones away from your bedside table and maybe pray, journal, read a book before going to bed. Third, have a hot shower. Hot shower is one of the most relaxing things in the evening. And well, taking it 90 minutes before sleep could give you an excellent sleep as well. Fourth, have pistachios and chamomile tea. Pistas contain melatonin, which helps in sleep. Eating pistas 1 to 2 hours before going to bed can aid sleep. And so can chamomile tea, which is extremely calming and is cited in many studies as having the ability to cure insomnia as well. Fifth, keeping a caffeine cutoff time. Basically, don't have any caffeine 6 hours before going to bed. Sixth, reduce fluid intake before going to bed. Sure, you have to stick to your water intake goals, but try to achieve them hours before going to bed, else it could affect deep sleep. Rihanna Huffington believes that sleep can change our life, but Indians are the second most sleep-deprived people in the world after Japan. According to a Fitbit survey, Indians have a nightly sleep of 7 hours, 1 minute, 48 minutes lesser than the average sleep in UK. Our deep sleep or REM is only 77 minutes, and that is bad. With these 6 steps, you could just be on your way to a great night's sleep and an even fresher morning as a result. If you like this video, keep following this space for more such content.